In a world marked by rising conflict, ecological imbalance, and mental unrest, is there a path that leads us back to harmony and unity? Yoga, an ancient practice born in India, is emerging as a scientifically validated tool for not just personal well-being, but for healing global divisions. Modern science is now uncovering what ancient yogis always knew. Yoga changes the mind, the brain, and even how we relate to others. Let's dive into the science behind how yoga transforms us, individually and collectively. Yoga isn't just exercise, it's an integration of physical postures, controlled breathing, mindful meditation, and ethical living, all working together to bring balance and awareness. Functional MRI studies reveal that regular yoga practice leads to increased gray matter volume in key brain regions. The hippocampus, enhancing memory and learning. The prefrontal cortex, boosting focus and decision-making. The anterior cingulate, aiding emotional control. The insula, deepening self-awareness. Yoga also optimizes our brain chemistry. GABA levels rise, reducing anxiety. Serotonin increases, stabilizing mood and sleep. Dopamine flows, promoting motivation and reward. And oxytocin, the bonding hormone, strengthens human connection during group practice. Chronic stress, yoga calms it at the root, the HPA axis. Lower cortisol levels, increased melatonin for better sleep. Natural endorphin boost for a sense of joy and resilience. Yoga activates the parasympathetic nervous system, the rest and digest state. This results in lower heart rate and blood pressure, balanced breathing, greater calm and emotional regulation. EEG studies show more alpha and theta waves, indicators of deep relaxation. Beta wave activity decreases, lowering anxiety and mental clutter. And brain hemispheres sync better, leading to integrative thinking. Yoga sharpens cognitive performance, especially important in aging and mental health recovery. It enhances focus and working memory, executive functioning, processing speed, and it aids recovery from PTSD, depression, anxiety, substance abuse. But beyond the brain, yoga builds unity. Group practices increase empathy, compassion, and connectedness. Yoga creates a shared language of peace, stillness, and belonging. In a fragmented world, yoga offers a scientifically grounded path, not only to self-realization, but to universal harmony. Thus, yoga is the right tool to encompass all from diverse religion and ethical and cultural groups to come under one platform and achieve universal harmony.